Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Guide. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to walk you through how to view TikTok videos without account ID. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. The first thing you need to do in order to view TikTok videos without an account, make sure to download TikTok application on your mobile device. In order to download the application, you can go and tap open your Play Store for your Android or your App Store for your iOS operating system and tap on the search button at the top of the screen in order to search for TikTok and download it. Type in TikTok in the search box and search. Once you find the application, simply tap the install button and wait until the download finishes. Once the application installs, tap it open and now tap on agree and continue as soon as you do that. Choose the topics that you are interested in, which will help you get better video recommendations according to your choice, and tap next. Now all you have to do is tap on start watching and you'll be able to see that right in the home screen, the video preview is displayed. Swipe up for more videos and you can easily watch videos on TikTok without account ID. But if you'd like to interact with some of the contents, you'll need to go ahead and create an account. That is how you can easily view TikTok videos without account ID. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.